Power poles were initially designed as a shallow water anchor. They're used by the bass guys down shallow, get up shallow, be able to control their boat and pitch in shallow without having to worry about running their trolling motor. We as walleye fishermen, it's pretty well documented. Most of the time when we're using that power pole, we use it in conjunction with the paddle. And the paddle lets us do things like control surge as we're out trolling in big waves, or if we're drifting down a piece of structure, we can control the speed that we're drifting. But I also use it as a shallow water anchor. Now I run a 10-foot blade, so what that means is that I can get up in about, I would say 7, maybe 8 foot if it's calm, feet of water, and this thing will effectively anchor this boat, pin it into a spot. First of all, what drives it down, what unscissors it and drives it into the bottom is a really strong hydraulic system. So instead of just touching the bottom, many times it'll push into the sand or the gravel, especially into the muck. So again, if I'm in 7, 8 feet of water and I'm fishing shallow, that thing is gonna hold me right where I wanna be so I can precisely cast to the same spot again and again. Now the other places that it is kind of convenient is if you get around your boat landings and you're bringing in your boat, instead of having to tie the whole boat to the dock, you can just swing down that power pole and it'll actually hold that back of the boat in position. If you're just going up into shore, you want to hop out for a little while, you can nose up to shore, drop down your power pole, and it'll stop that back end from swinging around and also running into the shore. So again, designed as a shallow water anchor, we use it a lot with the paddle to control drifts and control surge and things like that, but it's just a real effective tool on your walleye boat.